Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Indonesia Weather Report.
My name is Nesha Putri and I'm delighted to be your weather forecaster today. Thank you for joining us. We bring you the latest weather outlook across Indonesia, along with important information about climate change and the effects El Nino and La Nina. Indonesia is the world's large archipelagic country consisting of more than 17,000 islands because of its geographical location near the equator. Our weather can vary significantly from one region to another. Therefore, understanding today's weather forecast is essential for planning our daily activities safely. Starting with Sumatra, the weather is expected to be mostly cloudy with scattered rain showers throughout the day. In Aceh, North Sumatra, and West Sumatra, moderate rainfall may occur during the afternoon and evening. Residents living in mountainous areas should remain alert for possible landslides and flash floods. Meanwhile, Riau, Jambi, and South Sumatra are expected and experience warm temperature between 25 and 33 degrees Celsius with occasional thunderstorms along the western coastline, so fishermen and small boats are advised to monitor marine weather conditions before sailing. Morning, followed by isolated thunderstorm later in the afternoon. In West Java, Central Java, and Yogyakarta, temperatures will range from 24 and to 32 degrees Celsius with moderate humidity. East Java, including Surabaya, is expected to experience hot and sunny weather during the day, although light rain may develop in the evening. People traveling during rush hour should prepare umbrellas, and sudden rain is still possible in several urban areas, with temperatures between 24 and 31 degrees Celsius, making it favorable for tourism and outdoor activity. Meanwhile, West Nusa Tenggara and East Nusa Tenggara are likely to experience dry conditions with low rainfall. However, strong sunlight may increase the risk of dehydration. We recommend drinking plenty of water, wearing sunscreen, and avoiding prolonged exposure to direct sunlight during midday. Switching to Kalimantan, most provinces across Kalimantan are expected to experience cloudy skies with moderate rainfall. West Kalimantan, the Central Kalimantan may receive heavy rain accompanied by thunderstorms during the afternoon. Residents living near rivers should stay alert as continued rainfall could increase water levels and raise the risk of flooding. Temperature will generally range between 24 and 31 degrees Celsius. Moving on to Sulawesi, the weather across North Sulawesi, Central Sulawesi, and South Sulawesi will be mostly cloudy with occasional rain showers. Some coastal regions may experience moderate wave due to stronger winds. People planning marine transportation or fishing activities should always check the latest weather update before departure. Now let's continue to Maluku. The island of Ambon, Ternate, and surrounding areas are expected to experience partly cloudy condition with occasional light rain. Sea conditions remain relatively moderate, although isolated thunderstorms are possible during the evening. Residents are encouraged to remain conscious, especially when traveling by sea. National Weather Summary. Overall, today's weather across Indonesia varies. The sunny conditions in the eastern island to scattered rain and thunderstorm in western and central regions. Average temperature across the country range between 22 and 33 degrees Celsius. Humidity levels remain relatively high, especially in tropical rainforest areas. Please continue monitoring weather updates from local authorities before traveling or participating in outdoor activities. Now, let's take a closer look at two important climate phenomena that greatly influence Indonesia's weather: El Nino and La Nina. First, what is El Nino? El Nino is a natural climate event that occurs when sea surface temperature in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean become warmer than normal. This warming changes global wind patterns and reduces rainfall in many countries, including Indonesia. During El Nino, Indonesia usually experiences longer dry season, higher temperatures, reduced rainfall, increased drought, forest and land fires, water shortages, lower agriculture production. Farmers often struggle because crops receive less water, while forests become more vulnerable to wildfire. What is La Nina? La Nina is the opposite of El Nino. It occurs when sea surface temperature in the Pacific Ocean become cooler than normal. As a result, Indonesia generally experiences more rainfall, cooler temperatures, longer rainy seasons, increased flooding, landslides, higher river levels, and general rainfall benefits agriculture in some areas. Excessive rain can also cause natural disaster and disrupt transportation. Besides, El Nino and La Nina, climate change is becoming one of the greatest challenges facing our planet. Climate change is mainly caused by increasing greenhouse gas emissions from human activities, including burning fossil fuels, deforestation, industrial pollution, and excessive energy consumption. The impacts of climate change include rising global temperatures, more frequent heat waves, stronger storms, rising sea levels, more unpredictable rainfall, increases flooding and drought, damage to ecosystems. Indonesia is especially vulnerable because it consists of thousands of islands and has extensive coastlines. Communities living near coastal areas may face flooding due to rising sea levels. Protecting our environment is everyone's responsibility. Simple actions such as saving electricity, reducing plastic waste, planting trees, using public transportation, and conserving water can help reduce the impact of climate change. Together, small action can make a big difference for future generations. Before we end today's report, here are we few weather safety reminders. If heavy rain occurs, avoid folded roads and stay away from rivers. If thunderstorm develop, remain indoors and avoid standing under tall trees during hot weather. That concludes today Indonesia weather report. Thank you very much for watching. I hope today's forecast helps you plan your activities safely and responsible. I'm Nesha Putri, wishing you a wonderful day wherever you are across Indonesia. Stay safe, stay healthy, and remember to take care of our planet. See you again and in the next weather forecast. Goodbye and have a great day.